आप लोग काला घोड़ा इवेंट पे आए हैं ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है, टेल अस अबाउट इट।
कितना कमाल का एटमॉस्फेयर है यहाँ पे। और काला घोड़ा इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ इंडिया। और इससे अच्छी ना इससे अच्छा मौका मिल सकता था, ना इससे अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर मिल सकता था। सो वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड दैट फाइनली कैनेडी इज़ रिलीजिंग ऑन Z5 ऑन February 20th, और यहाँ पे हमारा ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है।
यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग?
Yes, we're so excited that सभी लोग ये film finally देख पाएंगे, and also to be in a place like this where there are so many arts and so many different people with so many talents, and they're being showcased here, and I'm very excited that Kennedy's also here.
दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेलर लॉन्च, पब्लिक के बीच में लाइव ऑडियंस के साथ में मूवी आने वाली है Z5 पे। ट्रेलर के बारे में लोगों को कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
लाइव ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर करना ऑलवेज बहुत मज़ेदार होता है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ सम काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल। और यहाँ पे काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल में तो अनबिलीवेबल एनर्जी होती है, बिकॉज इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फेस्टिवल एंड सो मेनी पीपल कम हियर टू सी इट, एंड वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड कि इन सब लोगों के साथ हम शेयर कर पाएंगे।
मैम आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे Z5 पे आ रही ऑडियंस को, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, मैसेज देना चाहेंगे
मैम?
Yes, please watch on February 20th on Hindi Z5, and I hope you like the film.
Yes, copy that.
Copy, copy paste, copy paste.
Copy paste.
थैंक यू।
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
इनका एक लास्ट सर आप ले लो सेंटर में आके
नो वेट
हमको आए
मैम लुक या
थैंक यू।
हाँ ठीक है जूम भी लिया ना
एक सेकंड थोड़ा साइड पे जाओ, साइड पे
मैम प्लीज कम
साइड पे मैम एक्सक्यूज मी
उनको ले लेने दो देन यू टेक लेटर
मैम यहाँ पे
कितना जा रहा है?
डन।
एक सेकंड
एक सेकंड।
ठीक है थैंक यू
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू
Go for it, Anurag. Any first words?
Nothing. It's been a very, very long wait to put this film out there, and we've been traveling the world, and we have screened across the world, and it has been on Letterboxd, and finally it's coming home.
It's
to
the
Mumbai.
homecoming, guys.
It's
Yes.
it's a homecoming, and it's a film about the city. It's about Mumbai, and it's been long in waiting. So I'm very glad. I'm so happy.
उनके लिए वेट वर्थ बनाने। Next up, the man who carries the soul of the film with quiet intensity and such a flair, the lead of Kennedy, Rahul Bhatt.
वो कहते रखा ताज मेरे शहर में, मैं ढूंढता हर जगह शाहजहां मेरे शहर में, मैं नास्तिक और वो कहते मुझे गैर मेरे शहर में।
She's someone who surprises us with every role. She brings strength and vulnerability to the screen. Please welcome the lovely, any guesses? Sunny Leone, you're right.
वो कहते रखा ताज मेरे शहर में, मैं ढूंढता हर जगह शाहजहां मेरे शहर में, मैं नास्तिक और वो कहते मुझे गैर मेरे शहर में। समंदर काफी गहरा कभी देख तू भी तैर के, लंबी चौड़ी सड़कें।
I can already feel the aura in Cross Meadows, and it's got all the love and attention for its haunting milieu and its wonderful performances. और अभी फिल्म घर आ रही है, तो घर पे कैसे स्वागत करते हैं जिस फिल्म के लिए हमको इंतजार होता है, ऐसा स्वागत देंगे कैनेडी को। Sunny and Rahul, I want to hear your voices. Just one quick line. What is in your heart? What's in your mind?
मुझे तो लगता है कि ये काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल जो है इतना कमाल, ये जो एनर्जी और ये कैनेडी का ट्रेलर लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, इससे अच्छी बात नहीं हो सकती।
Sunny.
First of all, thank you so much for having us here. This is an amazing turnout, so you guys are absolutely amazing. This film has traveled the world, but where it deserves to be is where we are right now, right here at home in Mumbai. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys show the film a lot of love.
Beautiful. Trailer of Kennedy. Gritty, please come forward. The stage is actually yours. Gritty, intense, emotional, very Mumbai. Anurag sir, it's the Indian neo-noir, right? On the global stage.
There's a word in French for police noir, it's called polar. So for us, it's a polar, it's built around in the lockdown and around things that happened around us. And anybody who lived in Bombay during the lockdown would see what the film is about.
Absolutely. We're going to dig some more about things we spoke backstage. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, the film is going to be ours to watch, as you saw, from the 20th of February only on Z5 Hindi. तो अपने दोस्तों को ज़रूर बताइए और फिल्म साथ में देखिए. Let's also invite on stage Kaveri Das. She's the Chief Channel Officer, TV and Business Head, Hindi Z5, and producer Ranjan Singh on stage.
हो जाता मैं बर्बाद ये बम्बई की कहानी में सभी मेरे खिलाफ है कुछ भी कर लूं बच ना पाऊं मेरे सर पे 100 पाप है मेरे घर में ही सांप है मुझे चुभती है सांसें मुझे डस मत तू वहां पे मेरे सपने देख के कांपते तूने देखा
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together once again for Anurag, Rahul, Sunny, Kaveri, Ranjan, all the way just to grace Kala Ghoda stage only for you.
You're the first audience to see the trailer.
Yes, indeed, you are the first audience to see the trailer, and I think that's a mark of honor. We're going to dive a little bit about this world. मुझे तो बहुत intriguing लगा, बहुत interesting लगा. अगर आज रात होता OTT पे तो आज ही देख लेती. But Anurag, Kennedy feels like a film that's born from rage, from exhaustion, from
Everything.
Tell us more about it. कहाँ से शुरू हुई ये कहानी आपके लिए?
Nothing. I think this character has been with me for a very long time, and I have tried to. I borrowed him from Sudhir Mishra, but it was during the lockdown. I was going through a lot. My daughter had moved out, and listening to Tchaikovsky, full volume, alone in the lockdown, with a bottle of whiskey sitting on the table with empty papers in front of me. And I just started writing. And this is one of those films that poured out in a night.
Did you hear that? Is he loud and audible? Is Anurag audible at the back? The back row, can you hear him? Did you hear that he penned this film in one night in the pandemic? So,
No, it was everything that was happening around us and which was bothering me. So I just turned it into a French comic book, Jacques Tardy inspired noir, polar, whatever you may call it.
absolutely, absolutely. And we completely see the personal impact. Rahul, Kennedy is a man that barely exists. He barely talks, right? He's pretty much on the fringes. Emotionally heavy character. आपने किरदार को कैसे निभाया?
मैंने अनुराग कश्यप को पूछा भाई ये कैसे करें, तो इन्होंने बोला मुझे भी नहीं पता. और then I basically he said that first he said you have to lose weight. Then I came to him after 2 weeks or 3 weeks of running that I have lost 5-6 kilos. When I met him, then he said no, actually I was wrong, you have to put on weight. So basically I put on 25 kgs for this film and 6-7 months of prep. Finally one day I sent him a photo of mine and he called me and he said, oh, that's the Kennedy. That was it.
Wow. Do these characters
Do impact as human being. Any character Anurag writes or the films that he writes himself and directs, I'm sure all the actors get affected. That's for sure, yes.
Sunny? You're really different from, I think, how we've seen you ever before, if I'm not mistaken. She's mysterious, she's seductive, Charlie's even dangerous, for all I know. So how did you approach playing somebody with so much fragility and yet so much strength?
It was all through the guidance of Anurag sir. I, of course, created all these different things in my mind, but it was his stories, it was his guidance, it was him explaining to me all the different things that he wanted. This laugh had to be there, and I was like, how am I going to do this? I've never done this in my life, main kaise karu? And, you know, I laughed everywhere, literally. And a drop of a hat, I can start laughing like Charlie now. And not feel shy and not feel embarrassed. So thank you very much for putting me outside of my bubble, outside of my comfort zone. You are absolutely amazing at what you do, so thank you.
You asked for it, the laugh, please.
What's happening? I could just keep going, but you'll think that I'm completely mad and crazy. And I want you to stay here.
That is Sunny, such a sport, guys. Let's give a round of applause for our wonderful director, actors, जो अपनी जी जान लगा देते हैं आपके लिए इन किरदारों को bring it to life. Kavya had to reach the world.
Right. Well, first, good evening everyone, and thank you for being here. It's rather a privilege for us to be launching the trailer of Kennedy here at Kala Ghoda. So at these, which are not told always, different, not the usual run-of-the-mill, and we thought Kennedy is a testament to that we have been able to find this piece, of course directed by Anurag, acted by,